To add subtitles to videos in VS Code, the first thing you want to do is prepare the subtitles. As you can see here, I have mine already prepared. If you look at this video, for instance, if I play this video, you would see that there are no subtitles on it currently. So I'm going to fix that by adding my subtitle. You can do that also on your own video. The subtitle should be a .srt file. Now what you want to do is, once you have it saved on your system as a .srt file, on VS Code, click on subtitle, click on add subtitle, locate the file where you saved it, click on it. As you can see, sample.srt, subtitle track added. Now if I play the video, you would see that the subtitle has been added. Okay, let's play. As you can see now, the subtitle have been added. Today I'll show you how to add subtitle to a video, and that corresponds with what I have here. Is that simple and straightforward. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.